In this video, I am going to show you how you can simply fix slow internet speed on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, what you're going to do is that you're going to open up your control panel. So go over to the search button or the search option and type in control panel. And it should be this one right over here. So click on it. Once you do that, what you're going to do now is you're going to click on the network and internet option. And then what you're going to do now is you're going to click on the network and sharing center. Once you do that, go over to the left side of your screen and click on the change adapter settings. Once you do that, this window right over here is going to open. So what you're going to do now is you're going to select the Wi-Fi option, right click, and then properties. Once you do that, it's going to open this window right over here. So you can simply scroll down and select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. So click on it. Then what you're going to do now is you're going to click on the properties. And then what you're going to do now is you're going to select use the following DNS server addresses and type in 88 or 8, then 8, and then 8, and then 8 again, and then down here you're gonna type in 8 again, 8, and then 4, and then 4. These are the DNS servers you can use. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the OK option. So you can click on OK, and then you can also alternatively use 1 again, 1 again, 1, and then 1, then here's 0, 0, and then 1 again. These are the options you can use, so you can simply click on OK. And then what you're going to do now is that after you have done that, what you're going to do now is that you want to go back to the Wi-Fi option again, and then right click, properties, and then click on configure. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the advanced option. And then what you're going to do now is that you're going to make sure that the channel width for 2.4 gigahertz is on auto, and the channel for the width 5 gigahertz is on auto. What you're going to do also is that you're going to go over to your preferred band and select 5 gigahertz and then click on OK. So then once you do that, that should easily solve your problem. So that's how you can simply fix slow internet speed on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful or if it helped you, comment down in the section below. And thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.